Whether you're a triathlete, cyclist, swimmer or runner, imagine if you could get better training results. Imagine if you could feel less tired after training. Imagine if you could go faster for longer and improve your personal best at your next race. And imagine if you could decrease your risk of injury. Well, the good news is I'm here to help. My name is Dawn Revens and my business is The Competer. I work with endurance athletes to put together personalised nutrition plans to optimise body composition and maximise performance and decrease injury. I want you to perform at your best and really enjoy what you do, and the key to this is having a nutrition plan in place. A nutrition plan isn't just for the elite athlete, it's for everyone, wherever they are on their journey. And it's really important that you have a tailored nutrition plan that takes into account your body weight, your training regime, and the length of your next event. Having done all the training, it would be a real shame if that was put to waste just because you didn't have your nutrition sorted. In this course, I'll teach you what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat at your next event and during your training. You will get to the place where you have the skills and knowledge to be able to do that for yourself for future events. This course is really practical. You'll be able to very quickly apply the theory that you get working through the different sections of the course. So if you're really serious about increasing your energy levels at your next event and smashing that personal best, then this is the course for you. What are you waiting for? Click that button now and buy, and I'll see you on the inside.